We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Dropbox.com. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner and enter your credentials to log in. If you're new to Dropbox, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create a new account using your email address and a secure password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Dropbox homepage. Here, you can see all your existing files and folders. To upload a new file, simply click on the Upload button located usually at the top of the page. You can choose to upload files or entire folders from your computer. Select the files you want and click Open to start the upload. Dropbox will automatically sync your files across all devices where you're logged in, so you can access them from anywhere. To create a new folder, click on New Folder, name your folder, and hit Create. This is especially useful for organizing your files. You can also share files or folders with others by selecting the item, clicking Share, and entering the email addresses of the people you want to share with. They'll receive an invitation to view or edit the files, depending on the permissions you set. If you need to download a file, hover over the file, click on the three dots, and select Download. This will save a copy of the file to your computer. Remember, Dropbox's interface might change slightly over time, but the core functionalities remain user-friendly and intuitive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.